Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the slay Lord Farquaad outfit and dress to impress. So I'm going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. So for this hair, I colored it black and no bangs. And then for the hat, I used the bonnet in this red and glitter. Positioned the Y 0.56, Z 0.54, rotated it at 0.27. Select this belt and color everything black except for the belt metal here. Adjusted it at Z 0.47, Y 0.56, rotated the X at 0.57 and scaled it down to 0.38. For the outfit, it is pretty simple in my opinion. Select this outfit, color it red in glitter, then gold. I'll just do metallic on this one actually, then red again in glitter. Then this blue 2A364E in glitter. And then do glitter in that red. Then for the sleeves, I'm going to use the strawberry dress sleeves for this one. Select sleeves only and color it red in glitter and that gold color. For the sleeves, we're going to use this in this light gray in 4F4F4F in light silk. And you can either use the gloves in the non-VIP section, but I'm going to use the VIP gloves. Again, you don't have to use this one. Color it red in glitter and gold in metallic or silk. Let's do silk. Then for the skirt, I used this in high and then color it red and glitter. Then I used this and colored it this color in light silk, and then I added these socks. You'll see why I needed these in this dark color. Then for the shoes, I'm going to use a Roblox item, but if you don't have it, you can just opt out for it. It's a little bit like see-through though, like as you can see, like without the socks it would be like super see-through. I mean, you can go with that if you'd like to. You can't really see it from afar. Then to add more gold detailing, I just use this skirt here and the skirt only toggle in that gold color. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!